Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Let's see how to make a tasty traditional South Indian home style lunch combo. We have here beans and carrot thoran and delicious Paruppu Urundai Morkozhambu. First we'll make the beans and carrot thoran. We have washed and chopped the beans and carrots. Now in a pan take a tablespoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, Urad dal, 1 dry red chilli, a little bit of Hing. Next add in this chopped beans and the chopped carrot also. Stir everything well together. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add very little water. Mix everything. Cover it and allow to cook on a medium flame. Meanwhile, in your mixie jar, I take 1 green chilli and say about 4 heaped teaspoons of freshly grated coconut and some cumin seeds or jeera. Crush all these together without adding any water. See, the green chilli and coconut have been crushed. We will keep it aside. Normally in a Morkozhambu we will add any vegetable, say lady's finger or ash gourd. Today we are going to make Paruppu Urundai. Paruppu Urundai means dumplings made out of this dal. So this Tuver dal I have soaked about 1 hour earlier. I have taken half cup of Tuver dal and 3 dry red chillies and soaked them. Now we will drain it out of the water and transfer it to the mixie jar. This add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing, add some salt to taste and we'll grind this without water to a coarse and thick paste. Make it slightly coarse and thick like this. I'm just adding a few curry leaves, tear it up and add like this and mix it well. Here I have kept water for boiling in a steamer. I am greasing a steamer plate and shape them into urundais or balls like this and keep it for steaming. See, the water is boiling well. Now we will place this and steam it for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's have a look at our beans and the carrot also. Just a little more of the water needs to be absorbed. Next, we will make the masala paste for this Morkozhambu. For that, take about 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut in your blender jar. Add 1 green chilli and also 1 red chilli, a few cumin seeds. Add a teaspoon of rice flour to this and grind it all well to a paste with the addition of a little water. See, our coconut and chilli paste is ground and ready. See, all the water has been absorbed and the carrot and beans have cooked well. Now I am adding this crushed coconut and green chilli. Stir everything well together and your tasty carrot and beans thoran is done and ready. Just adding a few curry leaves on top. And we can switch it off. See, Morkuzhambu is a curd based gravy. So, I have here about 2 cups of curd. Now, we will add some water to it and whisk it all together. Now, we will add the ground coconut masala paste, coconut, red chilli, green chilli, jeera, whatever we have added. Add it to this churned buttermilk and just whisk everything together once again. Now, we will cook it on a low flame. I am adding a little bit of turmeric powder to this and allow this curd mixture to cook slowly till it comes to a boil. Now, let us check our Paruppu Urundais. See, it is not sticking, it has steamed well. We can switch this off now. Remove this. Not yet added salt. Now, we will add some salt to this. Just stir it well from time to time, and when it starts coming to a boil, then we can add these steamed dumplings or Paruppu Urundai. When it starts frothing up at the sides like this, just add these steamed Paruppu Urundais gently into the Morkuzhambu. Don't disturb it too much after adding the Paruppu Urundais because you don't want them to break. Just allow it to come to a boil. After 1 or 2 minutes, we can switch it off. See, it is frothing up well and starting to come to a boil, as you can see. See, it is boiling very well and coming up now. Now, at this stage, we can remove it. Finally, we have to do the tempering. I am using coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil. You can take about 1 tablespoon. Add some mustard seeds, a little bit of hing, 1 dry red chilli and a few curry leaves. Now pour this on top of this Morkuzhambu. Now we are ready to serve our traditional home style lunch combo. Here is our beans and carrot thoran, very healthy and nutritious. And this is some of this steaming hot Paruppu Urundai Morkuzhambu. Again some hot rice with some ghee on top. I have here some curd, and this is this fresh turmeric. You remember I showed you this in my farm video. So I made this fresh turmeric pickle. Just chop it into fine pieces, add salt, lemon juice and some green chillis. Very tasty, very good for health too. Do definitely try out this healthy and tasty recipe. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet you again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.